Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cinemaman, also known as Upgraded Titan TV Man. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's start by drawing a large rectangle. Then let's add another one inside. Next, underneath, let's step in and let's draw two small lines down. And then a line across. Now underneath, let's draw angled lines down on both sides for the tops of the shoulders. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw the speakers on the shoulders. Let's start with two long angled rectangles. Now inside at the top, let's draw another small rectangle. And then another smaller black one in the center. And now let's add diagonal lines in the corners. Next, let's hop down, and inside the bottom of the speaker, let's draw a large circle. And then add another smaller circle inside. And that's it for the speakers. Next, let's hop up to the top corner and let's draw a half dome shape. And now let's draw the blades coming out. Let's draw two long angled lines down and close off the end. And then let's do the same thing going up on the opposite side. Then underneath, let's draw another set of smaller ones. And lastly, a third set on top, also shorter. And lastly, let's hop behind and let's draw some blades coming up from the shoulders. Let's start on top of the shoulder next to the speaker, and let's draw a line up on both sides. Then let's angle it out and up behind the other blades like this. And then bring it back down. Now let's draw two more on either side, going up and behind like this. And that's it for the shoulders. Now let's hop back to the center and draw the main part of the body. Let's start by drawing a large square. And before we add the details, on top of the square, let's draw a set of angled lines on the left and right for the collar of the jacket. Now let's hop inside and add the details. Let's start in the top at the center and let's draw a circle. And then a smaller one inside. Now on the bottom corners, let's draw a smaller circle. And again, another circle in these. Now let's hop to the sides, and in the top corners, we're going to draw 3 small circles across on both sides. And then underneath each of these, 2 larger ones. Now let's add another circle inside all of these. And that's it for the first row. Now let's move underneath and draw the second row. Let's start on the left and let's draw a large circle. Then add one inside. Then on the top and bottom right corners, let's draw a smaller circle. And then another circle inside. Now in the next 2 right sections, let's draw 4 circles in the middle and 4 circles on the right. And then add a small circle inside each of these. And that's it for the second row. Now for the third and last row, let's draw 2 rows of 6 circles. Then inside the first circle, let's draw a larger one. Then a smaller one in the next circle. Now let's follow that same alternating pattern across. And then for the bottom row, let's do the same thing, but the opposite. So we're going to start with a small circle first, and then a larger one. And then continue the alternating pattern. And that's it for the large speaker on the chest. Now let's move back out and finish drawing the jacket. On the sides, let's draw a set of diagonal lines. Then underneath, let's bring it down and angle it out on both sides. And then let's hop in and do the same thing. And then connect them with a curve going downwards. Now inside, let's add a circle on both sides for the buttons. Now let's hop to the sides and let's add the arms. Let's start underneath the armpit and let's draw an angled line down and one above it from under the speaker. And the same on the right. Now let's bring both lines downwards. And then close off the sleeves at the end. Now underneath, let's add the hands. Let's draw a line down, over, and back up. And the same on the other side. Then let's hop to the outside and let's draw a diagonal line down. And then a curve to close off each hand. Now let's draw the blades on the arms. Let's start with 2 diagonal lines up and out. Then a bent line to close it off. Now we're going to add 2 angled blades. Let's draw the first one on top. And the same on the right. And then one underneath on both sides. And lastly, for the upper body, underneath each armpit, let's draw another curved blade down and back up, like this. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's add the legs. Let's start by adding the belt with 2 curves across in between the jacket. Then let's add 2 lines down inside and a square in the middle. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a line down and curve it up on the right. Then let's add 2 lines going out on both sides. Now for the legs, let's draw angled lines down and the same thing on the outside. And then close off the pant legs with a curve across. Lastly, underneath, let's add the feet. Let's draw a line down, then curve it out and down for the top of the feet. And then close off the bottom of each one. Lastly, let's move back up and let's finish drawing the bottom of the jacket. From the bottom corners, let's curve it in towards the legs, and then one curve in between. And that's it for Cinemaman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!